Actually, what we have discussed in yesterday is we have created a virtual machine. It is a Windows virtual machine, and we have installed this. We have installed an agent on this server. Okay. Today we are going to install Linux agent and creation of virtual machine of Linux. Okay. So same as this. Yesterday, what we did, we have created an agent pool and we have installed one agent, that is Windows agent, in that particular agent pool. Correct? So wait 1 minute. I have no, it is not. 1 minute. Uh, no. Where? Yeah. Yesterday we have created this agent pool. Correct? So after creation of this agent pool for Windows, what we did, we have installed this particular we have installed this particular agent into one virtual machine. But it is currently it is offline because of I have stopped the server. If you see, this is in stopped state. That is the reason we have seen the state of this particular agent is offline. Okay, so I just stopped because of, so it will consume the amount, so that is the reason, so that is nothing reason. But I will restart again today. You can go with this one and you can install. Where you can install in your own projects. Okay, here if you observe, uh, uh, there is a two more projects with your name. So go to this particular projects respected to your name, and you can start practice. Okay, I will show the demo classes. I will show the all the demo things in this project, but the practice is going uh, with your respected projects. Okay, you can practice in your projects. So same thing, so what we did yesterday for Windows, today we are going to do same for Linux as well. Initially what we did in yesterday, we have created one virtual machine of Windows. Today we are going to create Linux virtual machine. Okay, so first go to the Azure portal. This is the portal.azure.com. You can go to there. This is the home page. Looks like this. Search for virtual mission service. Search for virtual mission service. Click on it. Here you could go. There is an option called create. Just click on create. So I'm going to create this virtual mission in this particular subscription. If you want to create a new resource group, you could go with creation of new one, or else if you can select with existing one. So actually there is no resource group for Linux, so I'm going to create the new one. Just give it Linux VM. This is the sample one I am going to give. Linux VM, it's good, perfect. Click on OK. Here the name of your virtual mission should be unique. Okay, you have to give a unique name. We'll give like practice Linux agent pool. Okay, we'll give like this. Okay, you could select the region. wherever you are comfortable. Okay, I have leave it as it is. I haven't do anything. Same thing what we did for yesterday, also we did the same for today as well. I don't want any availability zones because I this is for practice purpose only, correct? So that is the reason I just uh, create only one virtual machine, that's it. I don't want any backup, I don't want any high availability option. Then you could select standard at types, so because I don't want waste my money, so this is the reason. If you observe, this is the key point. This is Windows image, but what we are going to create in today's section is Linux. Okay, so we have to select the Linux machine. There are multiple Linux machines we have. We have Ubuntu, we have Red Hat, we have Oracle, we have Debian, we have multiple things. But in this section, in this scenario, I would like to select Ubuntu one. If you want to see all the images are which are available in Azure, which supported by Azure, you can see them in this with the help of this particular option, see all images. Okay, so because if you drop down, so there are already s- uh, two options how uh, to practice. So I just select this one because these two are the free services. So click on it. This is the image. I'm going to create a Linux virtual machine, so that is the reason I have selected that image, Linux Ubuntu. Okay, here if you see the second option, important option, what type of configurations you need, you want to uh, at what type of memory you need, so you can select from this. If you click on this see all sizes, click on it. These are the availability VM sizes, CPU sizes. You could come here and you can select which option is suitable to you. Okay, I would like to go with uh, two CPUs and 4 GB RAM. It is enough for now. So that is the reason I have selected this one B2S. Click on select. If you see, we have select the size B2, two CPUs and 4 GB memory. Okay. Next, here if you observe, we have two types of authentication. One is SSH public key and password. So, but I was more comfortable with username and passwords. So that is the reason I would like to go with the password. This one we will see later. No problem. We'll see later as well. But as of now, I'm going with the password. Just give username. This is my username, and I will share these details with you. No problem. You can practice with the help of these credentials. So here inbound ports are most important, because if you want to communicate, or if you want to log in with particular virtual machine which you are going to create, so these inbound ports are help us to communicate. Okay, that is the reason uh, this ports, this option is in star mark. Okay, so I would like to select for HTTP and SSH. Click on next desk, go with the desks. Same what we discussed yesterday, same thing applicable here. These are the disk will automatically uh, coming with the creation. But if you want to, if you want to add your own desk, you could go with attaching of existing disk or attaching of new disk, create a new disk. There are two more options also we have for our own uh, desk sizes. Okay, but as of now I do not have any desk with me, so that is the reason I haven't go with this one. But this is a good option, leave it as it is, do not modify anything here. Click on next, networking. These are the default networkings will uh, automatically generated along with the virtual machine creation. Okay, just select this option, because whenever you are trying to delete this virtual machine, all the required things are all the options are associated with the virtual machine will automatically delete a public IP and NICs. That is the reason I am selecting here. So just click on next again. So do not want to do anything here, just leave it as it is. Click on next, click on next. So review and create. First it will review, it will review it, it will validate. If all the validation which completed, yes, now validation has successfully completed. It will take 3 rupees per hour. Okay, next one is nothing to, these are the details of your virtual machine which you are going to create. So validation is succeeded, then just click on create. So it will start initializing the deployment. So it will take 2 to 3 minutes more. uh, Virtual machine is created. Just click on go to resources. These are the details of my virtual machine. This is my public IP address, and it is the status is running, and the location is East US. So if you want to connect to this particular virtual machine from here, also you can connect. But uh, it is not good practice actually. Actually it is a good practice, but don't worry. But will log in to this particular Linux machine with the help of this public IP address. Okay, so before before logging to this virtual machine, uh, okay, so let's try to connect from here as well, so it will do not confuse you. So just click on connect. Here we have two options. Okay, one is SSH using Azure CLI, or else native SSH. It means your local machine. See, here local machine is option is there. This is local machine or Azure portal, but we need to download Azure CLI locally. Okay, it is a different part, it is a different scenario, do not worry about it. But we could go with this one, local machine. Just click on select. So it is initially validating it. Let's check this one. All are done. See here, the step by step guide also they have given. Okay, next what we did, what they are saying is open local shell. That is my command prompt. Open command prompt in administrator mode. Then what they are asking, copy and execute SSH command here. So can't find your private key, reset your because we are not going to log into this virtual machine with the help of SSH, because when we are uh, creating with virtual machine, we have selected username and password. Okay, so that is the reason. So later I'm creating this one. If you see, it is asking for SSL public key. Earlier we have going with username or password, correct? So that is the reason. But this is my username, default username. uh, I do not have to have any existing key pair, so that is the reason I am selecting generate new pair. So you could give name for your key pair name, just click on update. So this is your public key, download and create. This is your public key has been generated and downloaded to your local machine. It is updating the deployment, I mean it is updating the virtual machine. Just go to here. Now now you can connect with this virtual machine with shell script, not shell script, shell command. Okay, so click on select, all the validations are completed, open menu. Then this is uh, the done. We have downloaded the uh, what we call public key into our local machine. Just you can copy this one, you could copy this one, go to command line prompt, enter. But here the location of this one, here the location of this one is different now, because you have downloaded into your local machine. You have to give this name. Okay, so where C drive, users, Kishore, and downloads, where it downloads, this is one. So copy this one, paste here. Mac OS, no, na, 1 minute. MVK, let's copy the name of the file, paste it, em, and and you could give this. What it is mean? It is a username of your virtual machine, and it is the IP address of your virtual machine. Okay, so just click on enter. See, now I am able to log into this server. Okay, this is how we can connect from our local server with the help of SSH public keys. Okay, SSH public keys. But it is somewhat hard to connect. It is not hard, but when you are going to practice more and more, it could easy for us. But uh, what I would like to suggest is go with username and password for when we are working with Azure portal or Azure cloud. This is my recommendation, but it is up to your uh, interest. You could go with the uh, your own way, no problem. So yeah, no problem. So I already connected. This is also we will going to create. Just no problem. That is this is how we can create Linux virtual machine, and by after creating we can log. We have seen how to connect with the SSH public keys. Okay.